start the next part of our video is about numeric operators. There are 5 types of numeric operators. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. All of them are familiar from the arithmetic, basic from our school. What about this? About division, what can we say? That if division is about two integer numbers, then when, for example, you are dividing 5 into 2, instead of 2.5, it just writes an integer 2, because when we are dividing integer to integer, answer also must be integer. That's why the remainder part is yielded. And but if we define the 5 not as normal integer 5 but 5.0 as double, then we will have the answer as 2.5. And what about the remainder, the module sign? What does it do? It gives us a remainder after dividing 5 into 2. It is equal to 1. These kind of operators we have. Remainder is very useful in programming. For example, an even number, we can define some number as even if we divide some number into 2 and remainder is 0, it means that that number is even number. If we're dividing some number into 2 and the remainder is 1, it means that that number is odd number. So you can use this property to determine whether a number is even or odd. For example, suppose that today is Saturday and you and your friends are going to meet in 10 days. What day is in 10 days? You can find that day in Tuesday using the following expression. How to do it? Saturday is the 6th day in a week. After 10 days, it means that we're adding 10 days to our days, and we are dividing it into 7 to learn which day of week is it. As a reminder, we get 2. It means that after 10 days, we will have Tuesday as a result. Also, we can see of one problem for displaying the time. What is it? Let me share. Here, for example, we have here some kind of scanner. Now, let us create some program, system out println, that will take seconds and give us how many minutes and seconds we have. For example, write seconds, Now let us create some integer that's called seconds. It will be equal to input that next int what we have to do next, we have to find minutes. How do we find minutes? We divide the seconds into 60 and we get minutes. Now we want to know remainder. seconds. For example, if I write 100 seconds, it means that it must be 1 minute and 40 seconds. How to find the remainder seconds? We are dividing our seconds into 60, and we will look through the remainder, and we will output system out println such way that uh, our seconds this way are are equal to how much minutes and some amount of remainder seconds. Okay, now let us save this program and print it. Where is our console? Here, Java C display type at Java, and if we will run our program, write seconds, for example, 250, and it will say 250 seconds is equal to 4 minutes and 10 seconds is equal to such more minutes and such more seconds. This is how we can use the remainder operator in this way. Now let us continue. Where is our demonstration? Here. Calculations involving floating point number are approximate because these numbers are not stored with complete accuracy correctness. For example, if we write 1.0 minus 0.1, 0.1 for 5 times, it will not equal to 0.5, but this number. Or for example, if we write 1.0 minus 0.9, we will not get 0.1, but this number. Integers store exactly, but calculations with float numbers and doubles can be a little bit problematic. Now, next topic is exponent operations. For exponent operations, we are using mass power, and we're writing just first number and second number using this mass power element.